Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got an unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with the S Pen. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do the Galaxy S22 Ultra from Samsung. This is the model with the S Pen. That's pretty much combining the S22 series with the actual Note series combined. So as you can see here in the box, I got the matted black, the 256 gig edition, and I also have a case right here with the magnetic back to it for your vent clip and a ring holder to hold for your hand, because these phones are expensive and you definitely want to protect them. But first, let's go ahead and look at the box here. Here's the front of the box with the big S on the front. As you see right here, it says Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here's the side of this says Samsung. In the back right here, it tells you S22 Ultra. They give you the USB-C, let you know what's included, the quick start guide, and the terms and conditions guide. Okay, this is just going to be the first look and quick unboxing of the phone until I get everything up and show you guys what it's really working with. So as you can see here, here's the phone. Again, it's the matted black edition. As you can see, here's the protective film case for the front. And on the back, it seems like they also have something protecting the back as well. Right here. And it tells you the S SIM card, and not the SD card, but the SIM card and the ejector goes down here at the bottom. But we take this off, as you can see. It says Samsung. Right here, you have your 3 camera lenses. 1, 2, 3, your sensor, your photo flash, and another right here. Okay, so let's put this off to the side right here. So we open up the goodies. Here's the injector for the SIM card. Put that off to the side. And we open up seems like it's the instructions, so it's actually the USB to USB cable right here, as you can see. It's 2. It's no power brick cable. It's also something I noticed that's not in here. And we go with the quick start guide for all models, S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. We open it up. Just a quick review to show you how to eject the SIM card out of here. Pretty much show you where the S Pen is. So that's where the S Pen is. Put that out for you. As you can see, it's all black. Here's the button right here. You want to take your pictures or do air command. Here's the tip for the new model right here. And the top is the same. It's black. But I hear on any other models, if you get a silver or maroon, only the bottom tip is only going to match the bottom of the phone, but the inside pen will still be black. Something to keep in mind. So that's the S Pen. Put that off to the side. And let's go ahead and turn this on. It says, welcome. Please check SIM tray. Okay, I just powered it on. Can't start until we do the actual SIM card in there. It's not gonna let us start. So we're gonna go ahead and power that off for right now, because you have to put all the personal information in there. So here's the top. Here's the side. Here's the other side. As you can see, the power button and your volume up and volume down. Right here's nothing. And again, the back on the bottom. I'll make sure I close this back for right now. And the phone definitely has some weight to it. It's definitely a heavier phone than the previous Note or other model phones that was previously out. It definitely had a little bit more weight to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this case on for you guys so you can see how this case fits on the matte black S22 Ultra. Okay, like I stated, here's the case. Has a magnetic background, so you can stick it on your vent clips or whatever you have that's magnetic that will actually hold the phone. You have your holder or a stand, which you can use. As you see, here's the inside, and here's the side, so it has a few little impact rubber right there, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and put this in. And there we go. So here's the phone. See at the bottom, you still can inject your SIM card in and out, like so. USB-C. Here's the back of it. So you can use it as a stand as well, or you can be as a holder if you're trying to take a selfie or whatever. You can put your finger in there like that. So I'll put some links in the description of this case and a few other cases I was considering getting for this phone, if you guys are interested. But this is the first early unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which hit your stores February 25th. I received it early and just wanted to share with you guys first impressions of the unboxing. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the channel, share, so I can bring you more good content. Thanks for watching.